Okay, so we're going to take the pressure washer to it. I haven't decided if I'm going to paint it or just ride it, because I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it or sell it. Right now I'm thinking I'll keep it, but I got to work on the digital display, and plus I got to put it in the water, make sure it runs under a load, so it sucks in, cools the engine, shoots the rooster tail, all that stuff. So, but yeah, right now we're just going to try to clean it up a little bit with the pressure washer. Starting to smell like gas really bad. Turn this off. I don't know if something's just like leaking out in there or what. It's the water separator or fuel filter, whatever that thing I showed you with the light. I guess we'll add that to the parts list. Okay, so obviously it's a little bit darker, but I don't have much light left. The camera kept giving me a bunch of, I don't know if it's because it got wet, but it literally was flashing battery, storage, said it couldn't record in high def because not enough room on the car, blah blah. So I just changed the battery, but I changed it again, and download a bunch of files from the card. So there's some dark spots that I'm going to hit with the jet again, and then I'm going to try to use the rag to actually try to clean it up a little bit more. So we'll record that and see how it goes. Okay, if you have a pressure washer, you should get one of these nozzles. It's awesome. It allows you to switch between soap as a jet or spread out like you've seen. And then the water does 40%, 25, and 0. It's a really good tool to have. Okay, we're gonna give it a little bit of time to dry, and then I'm gonna hook the battery back up. I don't know if I recorded that or not, but I took the battery out earlier. I'm hoping to put it on a lake just to do a test run in the next day or two, and I'll make sure I record that so you guys can see it. Still gotta replace this, so yeah, well, that's not good. Oh, it doesn't look like it's got any gas in it. I don't know if you really, I didn't take any pictures or really walk around it before, but man, it looks a whole lot better. The white really pops. I am really starting to dig the color scheme. didn't like it at first, but seems like it's pretty good. We lost one of the little foot pads. I think I can just put some Gorilla Glue on it. If I keep it, I'm going to change all these anyway. But alright, so yeah, I don't know how long that thing had been leaking, but when I first pulled it up, man, I opened this thing up, it smelled really bad. So I had forgot to put this back in this little holster or whatever, and it was just dangling, and as you can see, I didn't have a zip tie, so it was just steadily dripping. But I wouldn't think it would have ran out of that much gas, although I had only put like maybe 2 gallons max. I think I was shooting for like 1.5 gallons. But I think I'm gonna let it just dry out some more, and then try it again tomorrow. And the choke, it's another part I got to order. I mean, the list is getting a little longer. Man, I was really hoping to take it to the lake in a day or two. I don't have any more gas. But I'll let it dry overnight, and I'll get some tomorrow, put some gas in it, and play with that little thing. I had put a little plumber's tape around that valve. I mean, you can't even really see it. It's back underneath this fuse box. So while I was pressure washing it, that probably just came off. Anyway, we'll pick it up tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to try to glue down some of these things that are coming up and try to reattach that one. So just to have it done temporarily until I figure out what exactly I'm going to do with this thing. Alright, here's the other side. Looks like one's missing from there. Yep. I think I'm going to let this drop before I apply it, because it says make sure everything is dry and clean. It's not really clean underneath there, but I can at least let it be dry. Bam. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Leave me comments, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate it.